Okay, emails. Okay, let's go to emails. Okay, show you what it can do. This is going to be a long question here, and I need to just be copied and paste these questions, but I'm going to go ahead and use the microphone for this one. All right, there's my question. It's generating. Like I said, this is an email. Okay. Write me an email to the Dodge dealership saying that they overcharged me on a repair, and if it's possible, I would like them to look into it. It was a repair on an alternator that happened last Thursday. My name is Sam, and I'm addressing the person I'm addressing is named Charlie. Okay. Hope to see you finds you. I'm reaching out today to bring you your attention to a concern regarding a recent repair, and so on. So there it is. Okay. And look at this. Detailed. Okay. Alrighty. So, all right, next we're moving on to email templates. Okay. Now watch this. I'm going to go to Chat AI. Let's delete these first. Okay. So we got room to see what we're doing. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and use the microphone again. Okay. And now we're going to look at it. Okay, this is the template. See at the top there, write me an email template. I'm applying for a bunch of jobs and want to introduce myself, saying how much I'm looking forward to applying. Super enthusiastic, or, of course you can edit this. It's not going to be perfect, but you can make it perfect by putting in names. Okay. Dear hiring manager, I hope this email finds you well. I'm writing to express my interest, and I'll just let you read it. Okay. So look at this. Imagine the time you can save. Okay. Now, I know I said I wasn't going to make this too long, but my intention was to make it short. But with this thing, this bad boy, you know. Okay. And look at that. Flawless almost. AI technology. Okay.